It's impossible to keep building more single-use containers. No matter what, we cannot keep using disposables until the end of time. Sodexo is the food service provider here on campus. We're an international food service company. In 2023, the Green Fund saw that they were spending money on the old program that we had. It relied on plastic containers and it had a low use rate as well as a low return rate. We realized that USEFULL was probably going to be the best option for that program.
All of our containers are a combination of stainless steel and food-grade silicone. We're staying true to the mission of getting plastic out of the waste stream, but also out of our bodies and out of operations.
Right when I joined the Green Fund, they were actually talking about the USEFULL project as a solution to the older reusable container program.
USEFULL is our reusable container system. It utilizes double-walled stainless steel containers. And the way that it essentially works is students download an app on their phone.
You sign in with your NAU credentials and it links to your student account.
You go out to any of the restaurants here in the Union and they ask you to open your USEFULL app.
You scan a QR code on the bottom of the bowl with your phone and then it assigns that bowl to you.
And you order your food, and then at the end, they'll make the food in the container and you can take it home for 5 days before you have to return it at any of the receptacles here in the Union.
If I want to eat at home, I could grab it and then bring it back. Yeah, it just really became like a part of my daily life here on campus.
If for any reason a student is not able to turn it in within the 5 days, there is a $1 late fee that accrues per day. So after a student returns their container, it gets picked up by one of our dishwashing staff. They bring it back into our dishwashing station and they run it through a high-efficiency dishwasher. All of that water gets reused into a gray water system, so we're helping save water there as well. We have seen huge waste reduction through using USEFULL. We are right around 162,000 checkouts. We've reduced around 43,000 pounds of trash.
If we're able to get that right on a single campus or on a single retail concept on campus, then we know we can scale that to campuses across the state, campuses across the US, and then hopefully globally.